To redeem a Cash App gift card, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you do not have a Cash App account, you will need to create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are logged in, tap the profile icon or the bank icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to access the banking tab. From here, select Add Cash and then select Add Cash from a gift card. You will be prompted to enter the gift card details, including the card number and PIN. These can be found on the back of the gift card or on the gift card receipt. Enter the details carefully to avoid any errors. After entering the gift card details, select Add and the funds will be transferred to your Cash App account. The funds are usually available immediately, but in some cases, it may take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your account. It is essential to note that you can only redeem a Cash App gift card to a Cash App account and not to a bank account or debit card. Additionally, make sure the gift card is a Cash App gift card and not a different type of gift card, as other gift cards cannot be redeemed through the Cash App. To avoid any issues during the redemption process, ensure that your Cash App account is verified and that you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device. Also, be aware of any applicable fees associated with redeeming a gift card to your Cash App account. By following these steps, you can easily redeem a Cash App gift card and transfer the funds to your Cash App account. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can contact Cash App support for assistance.